no. There go the core memories.
Let's get in the dark, please.
Oh, come on. What is this place?
The subconscious. It's where they take all the troublemakers.
My hat feels loose.
How do we get in?
Let me see.
You got my hat, or is that your hat?
Yeah, it's my hat.
You sure? I don't know. Look in the label.
Yeah, it says my hat.
Wait, it says my hat?
My hat, it says.
That's what I wrote in my hat.
What are you talking about?
You've got my hat
Okay,
on.
but it's my hat.
Hey, you!
Oh, you caught us.
Get back in there. No escaping.
I don't like it here. It's where they keep Riley's darkest fears.
It's broccoli.
The stairs to the basement.
Grandma's vacuum cleaner! Okay, come on. Would you walk quieter? I'm trying. What is going... Candy wrappers? Bing bong!
Sure?
There you are. It's Jangles.
Who's the birthday girl? Who's the birthday girl?
Do you have the core memories?
Yeah. All he cared about was the candy. We're out of here. Let's get to that train.
Wait! The train's not running. We still have to wake up Riley.
But how?
Oh no.
Hey, Sadness! Did you hear about the party that we're having?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, Joey. Isn't it a birthday party?
Did you say birthday?
And Jimmy cake and presents
And games and booze.
Birthday?
Oh, good. Follow us! Nothing like a good scare to wake you up, right?
Okay, but it's my handwriting.
No, it isn't. That's my hat. I wrote
No,
that.
but this one's my hand.
Ah!